Good day everyone. You are looking at model number 001 developed by Suidobashi Juko.
We are truly grateful for your gratis order.
To ensure you're able to pilot and safely operate the vehicle of everyone's wildest dreams, we have prepared the following video presentation. In order to board, press this button to open the cockpit and board the Kratos. After boarding, make sure that your head protector is fit and secure. Pressing the button on the ceiling will close the cockpit.
Once you're in the cockpit, make sure the touch panel operation is operational. Kratos runs on a next-generation robot operating system known as Bushido.
Using Bushido's control system, you can move the arms and torso with the transformer form operation device.
Also through the master-slave function, it is possible to control the arms directly.
Even without boarding, the Kratos can be operated via 3G network.
Through free methods, anyone can easily operate the Kratos.
Kratos' top speed is about 10 kilometers an hour.
Kratos can be driven in both high and low positions.
Use the higher position to increase your field of view. It is gasoline-fueled and runs on a diesel engine. Here we explain the Kratos' greatest feature. First, the LOHAS launcher.
Designed to be eco-friendly and safe for humans.
The LOHAS launcher will not hurt anyone.
The weapon lacks the ability to rotate or pivot.
From time to time, it will hit its target.
The twin Gatling gun is able to unleash an unruly 6,000 BB bullets a minute.
Automatic alignment allows you to lock on your enemy target.
Kratos will not allow any wild targets to escape. With the alignment set properly, the system will fire BBs when the pilot smiles. The feature is called the smile shot.
You will be able to take out all enemies with a single smile.
Be careful not to cause a shooting spree by smiling too much. Once Kratos has come to a full stop, go ahead and open the cockpit.
Check your surroundings and confirm that you're in a safe place to disembark. Jumping off the Kratos is ill-advised.
Please use your feet and hands while climbing off.
If needed, please use a stepladder at your discretion.
There is no smoking allowed in the cockpit.
You will be able to make phone calls connecting through the cockpit's phone connection. In the rare case of the vehicle collapsing, please cover your head and assume a safe position to protect yourself from injury.
If you see smoke, flames, or smell something strange, please exit the vehicle as soon as possible. The risk of injury does exist, so please wear your head protector and convoy guard before operating the Kratos. Thank you for your time and attention, and please have a pleasant experience piloting the Kratos.